Anything to say?
We're gonna kill them, quack and stack them. Let's get after it.
You heard it here first. We're gonna get after it, okay?
This is the gateway drug. Get ready for addiction to set in and rot you to your core.
Three, two, one.
I gotta catch you. Here.
Came in. Right before they came in, my gun, there was one in it.
2 drakes. Yep.
I'm filming, right, JC? I'm filming?
Yep.
Show them to me.
Pretty. He's just bleeding out his neck.
Straight. Wait.
Hey, it's right there. Behind you, Trent.
They're circling around. Got it. Oh crap! Crap! Did you see him?
Did you hear the one?
Yeah, he just landed. He just landed down there. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. That is about the prettiest joker ever. Look how pretty she is. Or he is.
That's some Drake, yeah. That's mountable right there. If you go mount one, that's him.
That's
You got
awesome.
it right.
I didn't even shoot.
Probably, yeah.
Sweet.
This is you.
Shoot. Why didn't I shoot that joker? I didn't even expect that.
Yeah, what even?
Hey, here two coming. Hey, look at this giant group right here.
3, 2, 1. That was mine. Come here, buddy.
Was that you? Cause
That's one of y'all, wasn't it?
right as soon as you shot, I shot, and then that joker failed.
Get him, Trent.
That joker went boom. And what just, dude, my thing's jammed. Oh, get him!
This is funny, bro. Look how many ducks we killed. This is straight massacre.
Hey, put this one up, JC. Hey, why is my thing doing this? Hey, no cap. I'm out of bullets.
Coming in? We straight clapped.
Stupid. I give a freak right there, baby. Now I'm clapping.
Hey.
Drake, look. That's a hooded Meander.
Drake.
Yeah, that's a Drake hooded.
Dang it, bro. He was going. I didn't see him until too late. I thought I hit that second, that one that fell over here.
If you feel like you did,
You can claim it. Because I killed one right after, so it's not like we're going to be, either one of us going to be down a bird.
Well,
That was yours.
dude,
did it.
when you said that was yours, I was like,
dude, how many you had, Trent, too?
just two, yeah.
Did you get on film me falling?
Yes. Hey, I was like, whenever I saw you trying to catch it, I was like this, with the GoPro, like literally staring at it.
No! I fell to my knees. Thank the Lord
That's
that
the
didn't
ultimate
come
thing,
over.
though, is to catch your own bird.
Yeah. Thank the Lord that it didn't go over my waders. Hey, you ain't never going deer hunting again. Holy crap, look at the mess of birds. There may be some daggum hoods in there, but I don't freaking care. Straight across.
This place is beautiful.
Hey. Get him, Trent, get him!
Who was that?
Dude, Trent!
What? Oh shoot!
That was a gander.
I shouldn't
Trey,
have.
you just shot. Dude, you just shot a freaking Drake hit him a gander.
Did we shoot at the same time, Avery?
Yeah. You can have it. Good job, Trent.
Shut up.
Hey, he already has hooded. I have hooded. You have hooded. That's sick, dude.
I shouldn't have shot that last one just then. That last shot. That dumb bird.
Dude, that is some freaking birds, bro.
What are they doing?
Hey, we just whiffed, guys. Don't worry, you didn't miss anything.
Dude, honestly, I didn't even really aim very good on that one. I was just throwing up and shooting.
Hey,
Hey.
right.
Yeah.
I got far left.
Hey.
I'll go get them. Jason, y'all stay here.
That bird is from one
Did you get one?
I aimed at that second one that fell, but did I hit him? I don't know.
There's a wood duck, aren't they?
Avery, which one did you shoot at?
I shot the far left, which is the one that fell.
Uh-huh.
But
What?
that's you. You killed it.
No, stop. No, you killed it. Stop doing that bullcrap.
You killed it. Let me see it.
Who would have caught that one, like Bobby Guy?
Yeah, that
Dude, we'd have been like, oh!
Yeah, we're pretty much. We might as well leave it. We're pretty much done right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, we pretty much. Don't walk in front of that freaking barrel.
Get your barrel. Here, this will help.
Shoot your hand off.
Use your boom, and just is like.
Then that was,
flashes
then
on like-
guns legit wanted to kill people. But other than that, it's not the gun.
Bird. Bird, get him.
What about when I just feel like boom?
If Cabela's ever watches this.
Yeah, that's gonna be rapping, bro.
Yeah, really sponsors, bro. And
I really enjoy the waders. I got these for 100 and these are 3.5 millimeter neoprene ones, the classic 2s. What they were 170, but they're like 180 something with tags. They've held up pretty good. I love them. I feel like a cypress tree. How you like the Bottomlands everything?
Yeah.
And for Christmas, I got Bottomlands gloves and I got Bottomlands mask. That's all I
True
got
fan.
for Christmas, bro.
True
There's
fan.
nothing but Bottomland everything. Cause see, think about it. You can take Bottomland hunting.
Yeah.
That's a good thing about around here. Straight up clapped him.
Bro.
There's some. No, they're
Jason, hey, Avery. Is there anybody you want to sponsor you?
Sponsor me?
Yeah.
Doggone Quick Pick.
Hey, everybody, go check out your local Quick Pick on Highway 20, Bluntstown, Florida.
straight up.
It's the place
Hey, you
to
can
be.
bag our signs.
Alright,
You got the boat?
this is day one of duck hunting.
I'm here.
Hey! Good. Oh!
Yes.
We're trying to get sponsored by Ramsey's Cash Saver.
Yeah, we come
is
here
low.
every day after we duck hunt.
It is located in Bluntstown, Florida. You need to check it out.
Yeah, 32424.
Yeah.
Charlie John Street.
This is
right
the
here.
worst video ever. yeah, go check it out. Bluntstown, Florida.
Okay.
Watch this.
Woo!
Go!
She was at fun. She was pissed. She was at fun. She was. Oh my god.
Don't you say that after me!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
She was missing
Oh
her
my
teeth.
God. Bro, she was straight up looking. Oh, did you see her shaking her head?
She was mad.
She's gonna chase us down, bro. Oh my gosh.
Don't you say that after around me! I
Is
was
that
like,
what she said?
yeah!
That's funny, bro. I didn't know it.
Oh
I
my
could just see her
gosh.
daggone teeth. Just- I could see her
Oh,
holes.
freak,
That's
bro.
not
That
it.
was so funny. Oh my gosh. Alright.
I love Bluntstown!
You heard it here first. Oh Lord. FSU versus Florida today. FSU will probably lose.
We clapped the ducks, so now Florida will clap us.
Nah, it's not happening.
Nah, FSU's gonna win today.
No,
But-
They-
that. Dang, I'm ready to kick some.
You
Hey,
didn't get
bro.
bottom of the duck, bro.
Some
That's
A,
horrible.
yeah.
No, I got. Here's the duck pic. That's the Twitter, TikTok right there.
TikTok, yeah, we'll put it straight
TikTok,
to
baby.
TikTok right
I'm
there.
about to beat your ass.
That's TikTok material right there, dog.
Alright, we are arriving at, well, pulling into the dirt road at Avery's house. It was a good day. Good day?
Solid, bruh. You weren't even filming me. That's why I didn't say anything for a little bit.
Oh, I wasn't filming.
You were like filming over here, I think.
Okay, well, we killed 11 ducks. It was pretty good. Pretty fun. It lasted like an hour, I guess. And this is the duck. This is my baby.
Tallahassee's #1 for New Country,
Alright,
94.9
we're out.
TNT with Dusty.
Y'all like and subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell icon to see every time I post. We're gonna be coming at you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 times a week, baby. Subscribe and add me on Snapchat. All my social medias. Just add me. Yo, look at the camera real down.
Dude, we legit gotta make it.
Yeah, I know. We will one day. We will.